How to buy your first rental property with no money. Let's go down and look at the steps to get your first rental property. I've broken it down in a bit of a recipe. I'm going to give you 10 steps on how to buy your first rental property. How's that sound? Let's get started. So the first thing I want to do is outline step number 1 is understanding the process, which is pretty simple. You have pre-acquisition, you have acquisition, and you have post-acquisition. So in step number 1, you want to learn about the steps. What do you do before the acquisition in preparation for that buy, which we're going to go down in a few minutes here. I'm going to give you these 10 steps real quick. And then what you do just before you're ready to place your offer, and what do you do after you. That's step number 1. Step number 2 is you want to start tracking your investments. Or if you're buying a property, you want to at least start to gather and track that information, because as you evaluate that property, things are going to evolve. It's on the market, offers are going to be coming in. You're going to have to track information. So step number 2 is tracking information. Step number 3 is obtaining the property data. Acquisition price, after repair value, what are the improvement costs? How is the neighborhood? What are the taxes? Step number 3, obtaining that property data. Step number 4, researching the property. You have to find out the history of that property. How many times was it sold? What was the latest mortgage? What is owed on that property? Is there a pain point with the seller? These are the items that you do, and this is step number 5, research the property. Step number 6, determine if there's any improvement cost. You may be moving into something and it needs a new boiler, needs a new heater. That's $3,000, $5,000, new roof. You want to know you're buying something and you're not going to then have to open up your wallet. Step number 7, after repair value. What is your property going to be worth after you buy it? You want to get a realtor to do a comparison. You want to find out what that property is going to be worth that you're investing in, because you want your equity to increase. If you're buying something for 100 and putting 20% down, you want it to be worth 120. Step number 8, evaluating the property. Of course, before you make the investment, you want to check out the numbers. You want to look at what your investment is. If you have a rental coming in, you want to make sure it covers your mortgage and expenses. Step number 9 is when you're ready to place the offer. You now have looked at all your data. You've researched the property. You've inspected the property. You've looked at the improvement cost. You've honed in on the after repair value, and you're ready to take that step, place the offer. And step number 10, contract of sale. Your realtor will take care of this. Make sure you have an attorney in place, and you're all set. You're ready to close on your first property. If you want to learn more, check out the Modern Wealth Building Formula, how to master real estate investing at kenvanliew.com, and make it a great day.